Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to connect any wired headphones to your Xbox Series X or /S controller. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys want to do is just get your mic, the wired mic, and you want to just basically put it, you want to connect it over here. And once you basically do connect it, you want to click on the Xbox logo on the controller. You want to go over to all the way to the bottom, and then it's going to say audio and music, and this is where you can adjust the settings. But for some reason, if you connect the audio and if you connect the headphones and you still hear it through the speaker, in order to turn that off and hear it through the headphones, what you have to do is go over to settings, go over to general, go over to volume and audio output, and then go to additional options. From here, go over to mute speaker audio and headphone attached. So basically what this does is now the audio is going to come through the headphones itself and not the speaker, which a lot of people have this issue. So yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.